So I'm gonna try to do one of these videos.
Hey yo, lower your fucking tone before I come through your fucking mic on Discord, alright? So you can just be beating that shit up, and then once your nigga get right there, just turn the other way so that nigga could go. Sound like his jail experience. What?
I'm over here getting stressed out. Hold on, I don't want to get copyrighted. I'm over here sewing. Let me throw my arm out so you don't see her. So I'm gonna try to do one of these videos where you know that I show y'all what I'm making type shit, or I show y'all the process of what I'm making. We already got the things sewed together, but we're gonna sew those on, and then we're gonna see how they come out. Fuck it. I'm tired as hell. I'm also smacked, not tired. So I got them all souped up. Now I gotta like cut off this little excess right here. And then we gonna try these bitches on. Let's see how this shit came out. Sometimes that I change. Damn. My whole video just got messed up, so now I gotta redo this shit. Anyway, hold up, y'all wasn't supposed to see that yet. Y'all ain't see that. Boom. So sweatpants is done, right? I took some strings from my shorts, threw them bitches in here. So we got the zippers on the side, bang, bang. Bro, I restarted the video because you messed up the last one. Don't mess up this one, right? You could open them. I don't really fuck with the open look. Maybe it's because it's my cut. It make me want to do that. Like I listen to Young Boy, nigga. Run up on a nigga. You
Stop, look at him. I'ma shoot his ass. We fucking around today.
I remember you. You're the security guard of the building, aren't you?
You feel me? But nah. I can rock them like this. I might just rock them tomorrow too, so wait for the fit pics. Make sure y'all follow me on Instagram too so y'all can tap that shit up, you feel me? Bang. Bang, but yeah, back to this part. So we got hella colors. Like I got like 12 colors. But we got grays. We got oranges, green, blues, yellows, purples. We got a lot of colors. Y'all can see the colors. Y'all can definitely see the colors now. Cause this is what messed me up last time. This ankle. See all the colors? Bang, bang, bang. Stop the video if you got to, just to pick a color. But comment a color in the comment section, right? And then I'm gonna make a custom pair with that color. And then I'll give them away on YouTube. Fuck it, why not? We banned on Twitch either way. So, might as well do shit on YouTube. Fuck it. I just saw this shit last minute too. This bag right here, bag is about to be a giveaway. It's a lot of fuck ups in there. So if you wear a size small to medium, I don't know if I got anything for y'all large motherfuckers. I might have like one piece. But those is fuck ups. I might just be giving these away for free too. I forgot to say that in the earlier part of the video. That's why that shit was there. Those are sweatpants. I don't really know how to make an outro. We don't do intros. We don't do outros. We just get shit done with. Fuck it. Be ready for the next one. I wasn't even recording. I hate when my phone do that.
How you doing that?
Like, if it's looking like it's recording or you think you pressed the button. Like, I don't know what intro this is. I'm on my way back to the city.
That's just cool.
I got the pants on, but you really can't see it. I'm gonna try to find a way to show them the pants.
Just put a picture in the phone.
I didn't even take a picture in them though.
I took a picture of you.
Oh yeah, I did. We're gonna go to the city. I'll show y'all a couple spots. I think this is all gonna be in one video. Might even do the other clothes too. And just make this into like a, I don't know, a business video. Show y'all everything that I gotta do to make clothes. I don't know. I'm tired as hell. I'm not really tired. I'm just drained. Like, I don't know.
We was all posting and turning.
I be forgetting that I'm supposed to be making videos and shit. Damn, I got the dome with this shit on. Hold on, let me fix my hoodie. Got a nigga looking like he got the dome. But I got what I need for my orders. thinking about dyeing a pair of pants. Might do that shit on here too. Who knows? But this line at Michael's is crazy, boy. Like, what the fuck? We gotta stand in the line. Hate standing in fucking lines. All around the world for y'all orders. But make sure y'all order these, because these go on the site tonight. I got a lot of stuff to do. I gotta do Instagram posts. I gotta take pictures. I gotta make orders. I got a lot of shit to do, and I'm broke. Like, somebody just come and take over AA. Psych! Nigga, you niggas thought you was getting this multi-million-dollar brand. Fuck is you talking about? Multi-million-dollar nigga. You feel me? Or nah? Because I feel you.
Hey, yo!
Scared. And this is the shit that I gotta deal with. The motherfucking paper place is closed. So now we gotta find somewhere else to get motherfucking paper. Boy. Found the fucking paper. So now I'm about to just take my ass back home, get my ass to work. I ain't got nothing else to do. Can't stream, can't do nothing else. So been picking up this motherfucking camera. Oh shit, look at this bench. I just walked across the whole world just to get me some Spanish food. That pepper steak with a yellow rice. Be head so right, nigga. Had me thinking about my life twice.
What?
No cat. But we about to get in the house. Still gotta come back outside. That's what I really was trying to do. I was trying to just grab everything so I don't gotta walk back outside type shit. I could just keep it in the house. But I'm about to go grab Bentley, walk Bentley for a little bit, walk him outside. And then when we get back in the house, it's straight work. Nothing else, just work. I'm trying to knock out all these orders with the sewing and everything in one day. So let's see if we can do that shit. Bye-bye. This nigga's not going outside. He already know he's in fucking trouble. Get a dog, people say. Nigga went all through the fucking garbage. All through the fucking garbage. Welcome. I lied. I had to go get this little nigga so that he could get this shit over and out the way. Come on. Look, hard-headed. Come on. Let's go. Also, if you made it this far in the video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, because a lot of y'all niggas don't be commenting. We see the likes, but y'all gotta comment too, because if y'all comment, then more people see it. It helps the, what the fuck is the word?
That you
know the word I'm looking for, but I just can't say it right now. I can't get it. But yeah, it helps the algorithm. There it goes. So make sure you leave a fucking comment and a like. And share it. It ain't that hard, bro. It ain't. It ain't. Let me show y'all this goodness. This shit right here be hitting the spot. Can't even open this shit. Oh, damn, my shit all on one side. Oh, we got the pepper steak with the yellow rice and the beans. But we gotta get all those peppers and onions up out of there. A nigga don't eat those. Get them out of there. I really don't want my food because he got treats now. My mom just sent him a bag of treats, I guess, because I don't know what, but yeah, I don't know who sent the bag of treats. Put it like that. I found the bag of treats on the door. And now, the boy don't want my pepper steak. We good. That food was busting. Now it's time to work. Get this shit done out of the way. Look, we got one of them already done. Get these orders out of the way. Make sure y'all come and shop with your boy. I got a lot of shit about to drop. Another video coming after this one. I think this is the end of the video right here. Nah, I'll probably add something else. Be right back. Third order done. We getting these orders done. Hell, this should be the end of the video probably. I don't think I filmed this right, but I'm gonna try to edit this shit right. But y'all got another video. If you came this far into the video, use code YouTube. Yeah, I'm gonna let the code pop up and shit, but use code YouTube and you get 25% off my website. Fuck it. See you niggas next time.